Hello guys, it's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Laser Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafiu. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria. And in this video guys, I'm going to show you guys the top 3 websites that you can freelance, okay? But before I get to the tutorial started, if you are already new to this channel, please remember to subscribe to the channel. Click on the notification bell so whenever I upload content about freelancing and online marketing, please, you get notified and you watch the video. And lastly but not the least, if you have any question for me as far as this tutorial is concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below. I will reply to whatsoever question you might have. Okay guys, so as you guys know me, I'm a graphic designer and also a freelancer. This particular website I'm going to share with you guys, I have worked with the website and they pay me more, okay? So all you have to do is to have a relevant skill. You might be a graphic designer, video editor, web developer, web designer. You can be a voiceover artist, a content writer, and a blog writer, etc. All you have to do is to make sure that you actually know what you are trying to offer on this particular website. With that, I'm 100% sure that you're going to make sense. You're going to make more money online while you work from home as a freelancer. So the first website I have for you guys, without wasting much of our time, so let's quickly jump into the tutorial. So the first website I have for you guys here is peopleperhour.com. Peopleperhour.com. This particular website is somehow a popular freelancing website, and on this site you can make a free account. All you have to do when you visit the website, all you have to do is to click here to make an account. But there is one thing about this particular website that I will still explain more further in my next tutorial about a freelancing. So all you have to do first when you visit the website is to make sure if you don't have an account before, click on sign up. Then when you click on sign up, you fill up the free registration form. Then you register on the site. So when you register on the site, you'll be able to browse via the product. You'll be able to browse via the available freelancing job that you can do on the site. Okay, so these are the way by which you can sign up on this particular website. Just make a free account. Just if you are a freelancer, so I want to hire a freelancer. This is just for a buyer, but as a freelancer, this is what you need. You can select I'm a freelancer, then you continue with your Facebook or you sign up with your email address. Okay. One thing about this website is that this website does not allow you guys to have a multiple account. If you want to have a multiple account on this particular website as a freelancer, you need to have a different device to make a different account as far as this site is concerned. So some of the things you can do on this particular website, you will navigate to your mouse here for the people that doesn't know what exactly they can offer on this particular website. You can browse all over the skills available on the site. You can see under the written and translation, there are thousands of skills that you can offer right here, and you make money. So this is under design. Under design, there are a lot of things: graphic design, logo design, book magazine, business cards and stationery, cartoon, illustration, etc. To this point of here, this is under the digital marketing section. As far as this site is concerned, there are thousands of things you can offer here also under digital marketing section, such as SEO, AdSense, web analytics, email marketing, growth hacking, video editing, video marketing, affiliate marketing, influencer, etc. So under the video, photos, and image, here you can be image editing, videography, filmmaking, or video, photos, and images services, etc. Under the business, there are thousands of things you can do right here on this particular website. One more thing about this website is that this website allows online and offline job. What I mean by offline job is a situation whereby your prospective employer that want to hire you for a freelancer, if you are able to be in the city where the office is located, they can hire you from this particular website to come and work in their office, and you get paid without any problem, without any hassle. All you have to do is to make sure that you master the skill and bring the skill right here and get the money without any stress. So this is what I have for you as far as People Per Hour is concerned. If you would like to get more information about freelancing, remember to subscribe to the channel for more future tutorial about freelancing. So another thing I have for you guys as far as freelancing website is concerned here, I'm going to make a new tab. So another website here is upwork.com. So this site also is a very popular website that deal with skill freelancer and people that hire freelancer. It's just like buy and selling, but what they do here also has to do with skill. So this particular website also allow you to work offline and online, which simply means that if your company located in a particular city where you are, so you can work offline and you still get paid via this particular website. So one important thing is that always make sure that you get paid on this particular website because of the security that guarantee you that you will not get scammed when you are eventually hired by any employer. So for those of you that doesn't know what exactly you can offer on this particular website, if you have a development and IT skills, design and creative skills, sales and marketing, written translation, admin and customer support, finance and accounting, engineering and legal. And another thing about this particular website here is that if you are very good in academics, you can also offer your skill right here. And the pay on this particular website is in USD. So any country or whatever country you find yourself, you can work on this particular website. You work from home and get paid in USD. So these are the things you can do. These are the more things you can do as far as this site is concerned. You can see there are a lot of skills right here that you can offer. So if you are find yourself in any category of this skill, why can't you try this particular website out and see how you make your money from home in US dollar? So the last website I have for you guys is a very popular and the #1 regarded freelancing website in the whole world, which is also known as Fiverr.com. So Fiverr.com is a great platform that has been existed for a couple of years now. I have worked on this platform also. I have made some USD on this platform. I can testify to you guys that Fiverr is also a very good place to offer your skills as a freelancer. One thing about this Fiverr platform is that they don't allow you to have a multiple account. If you are the type that want to have a multiple account, as far as Fiverr is concerned, you must have a multiple device before you can do that. So if you don't have an account with this particular website here, the first thing you have to do is to come here, click on join. When you click on join, you fill a simple form to become a freelancer. This particular website, according to the statistics, is of the belief that every second people make sales on this particular website. And I'm also the one of the freelancer on this particular website, which is very much true that every second there is always a sales on this particular website. So, but the problem here is that you need to define the your niche. What do I mean by niche is that there are some niche that are already saturated. So you need to narrow your search and see where you are fit in, and so that you'll be able to make sales fast. So for instance here, there are many things you can offer on this particular website as far as skill freelancing is concerned. Ranging from graphic and design, you can see it right here. So if you click on graphics and design, there are thousands of things under the graphics and design. You can be a video edit, you can be a logo and brand identity, logo design, brand style guide, you can see, etc. You can be a font and typographic, business card and stationery, invitation design, menu design, resume design, vector tracing, infographic design, presentation design, Photoshop editing, etc. There are thousands of things you can do, you can offer on this particular website. Make your money from the comfort of your bedroom, and you'll be fine. Another one here is under the digital marketing. There are many things here also you can see from the screen right here. So if you are the type that doesn't know what exactly you want to offer on this particular website, quickly log into Fiverr.com, browse all the categories, see what you can offer on this site. When you are able to get it done, come to here, join the site and start making sales with your skill. Make money from the comfort of your home in USD anywhere you find yourself around the world. This is all I have for you guys as far as 3 major websites for freelancing is concerned. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you find this valuable this video, give the video a big thumb up. Share this video to your loved one. And lastly but not least, if you have any question for me as far as this tutorial is concerned, kindly put your question in the comment section down below. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Peace.